Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon en croute. First, begin by preparing your main ingredient, a beautiful salmon fillet. Pat it completely dry with paper towels to ensure a crisp crust, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Next, unroll 2 sheets of store-bought puff pastry. Roll each sheet slightly thinner, aiming for about 1/8 of an inch thick, ensuring they are large enough to wrap around your salmon. Now let's create the delicious filling. Start by making a mushroom duxelles. Finely chop about 8 ounces of mushrooms and 1 shallot, then sauté them in butter until all the moisture has evaporated, which takes about 10 minutes. Separately, wilt 10 ounces of fresh spinach, squeezing out every drop of excess water. Combine the mushroom mixture and spinach, then season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for a rich, earthy flavor. With your filling ready, it's time to assemble. Lay 1 sheet of puff pastry on parchment paper. Spread the mushroom and spinach mixture evenly over the pastry, leaving a 2-inch border. Carefully place your seasoned salmon fillet on top of the filling. Drape the second sheet of puff pastry over the salmon, pressing down firmly around the fish to remove air. Seal the edges tightly, trim excess pastry, and crimp with a fork. Brush with an egg wash for a golden finish. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Carefully transfer the salmon en croute to a baking sheet. Bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until the pastry is beautifully golden brown and puffed up. Once baked, let it rest for about 10 minutes before slicing into generous portions. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a perfectly moist and flavorful salmon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.